Love yours. Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Goes for all y'all. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Let me explain. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city,
Guys,
and know sometimes we had less.
dream,
Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Does all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind? Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way. The bad news is, nigga, you went the wrong way. Think being broke was better. A life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke was better. Life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next, I ask for strength from the Lord above. Cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cashing minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the ones you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love no such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived.
Representing Singapore, we got Jam Republic!
Dedicate. Listen right here, goes out to my homie with the drink. Know what I mean? He said, I write what I see. Right to make it right, don't like what I be. I'd like to make it like the sights on TV. Quite the great life, so nice and easy. See, now you can still die from that, but it's better than not being alive from straps. Agree, a meat notebook and a big that click when it's pushed and a whack beat. That's a track that's weak that he got last week. Cause everybody in the stew was like that's that heat. A bass heavy medley with a sample from the 70s with a screwed up hook that went
stack that cheese.
Something.
Stack that cheese.
Mother, sister, cousin.
Stack that cheese.
He couldn't think of nothing.
Stack that cheese.
He turns down the beat, right as block impedes. Crying from the next room, a baby in need of some pampers and some food and a place to sleep. That plus a black Cadillac on D's is what keep him on track to be a great MC.
You never heard of I push it harder for the grind. I feel like murder, but hip-hop just saved me. One you never heard of I push it harder for the grind. I feel like murder, but hip-hop just saved my life.
Reps Northside, so he rocks them braids. 1,100 friends on his MySpace page. Stack that cheese, got 700 plays. Producer made him take it down, said he had to pay. Open mic champ 2 weeks in a row. XD boy with a B-boy flow, glow like like Leroy. You should see boy go. Got a daddy serving life and a brother on the road. Best homie in the grave, tatted up while in the cage. Minute Maid got his mama working like a slave. Down baby mama, who he really had to honor, cause she was his biggest fan. Even let him use a Honda to drive up to Dallas with to open up for amateurs. Let him keep a debit card so we could put gas in it. Told her when he get on, he gon' take her to the gallery and buy everything but the mannequin. You dig, dig, dig,
You
dig.
never heard of I push it harder for the rhyme. I feel like murder, but hip hop you saved me. One you never heard of I push it harder for the rhyme. I feel like murder, but hip hop you saved me.
This man Cole said your time might be now. They played your freestyle over Wipe Me Down. They played it 2 times, said it might be crowned as the best thing.
Pwede naman pala, diba?
Lamig guys. Yes.
Rider mo muna ako.
Damn. Grabe. Sobrang lamig. Ang ganda. Ganda ng views where hindi na ako kuha ng phone ko, pero ang ganda.
Guys, nanginginig na kami dito. Nangangatog na kami sa lamig.
Guys, sobrang lamig dito sa Baguio. Yung lamig dito... wala. Yung lamig dito sa Baguio, hindi masyadong malamig. Pero medyo malamig na din siya. Malamig siya pero di gaano malamig. Pero malamig siya.
Aircon lamig.
Hindi malamig. Kasi mukha uso yun eh. Grabe.
Pag may kumatok na sabi niya pumunta sa inyo.
Hoy, yan ka na naman ha.
Sabi niya kasi medyo alamak.
Solido! Oh my God. Sheesh. Grabe naman. Parang sarap magstay ng isang linggo.
Sabi ko sa'yo, isang linggo na eh.
Ay, grabe guys. We're now here in Baguio Country Club. Yes, you heard it right. Country Club. And look at this space. It's so big. It's my first time na ma-accommodate ng ganito kasosyal. Grabe. Thanks so much, Kino and team and Access Dance Studio. Tingnan naman yung scene sa labas. Grabe, diba? Saan ka makakita ng ganyan? Oh. Bang! May TV. Smart TV. May bar. Social na banyo. Malalaking cabinet. Ganito na ba yung Mabi Marquez ngayon? Hindi ko alam eh. Okay guys. So ito ang dinner natin. Wow! Sino garnin to? Ay, oo nga. Right. And then, sisig.
Wow, ang dami.
Tapos na to, spring pork. Yeah, and then iced tea and pineapple juice. Yee! Breakfast lang naman yan, guys.
Yes, sir.
Kitang-kita mo na, makikita mo din sa aking mata kung ano ba talaga yung pinagkaiba na galing sa store at ginawa lang ng may puso. Ano mo na? Yes, sir.
Panis.
Alright, here you go guys. Only at 26 Baguio City. Yeah. Happy Munchies, guys.
Thank you.
Last night, Baguio Country Club. Ooh.
Wow, that looks good.
Yeah, parang siyang egg. So we got fettuccine carbonara, penne pesto, calamares, parmesan mayo, and then mango shake. Kain, guys! Hindi ko maintindihan itong garlic bread na.
Hirap. Yung baba din nakahiwa.
This looks so good.
Handmade yung
Ito yung bet mo. Or ito yung traditional. Guys! Thank you, Tete. Hala, may nagtutwerk. Oo, sa ano? Yung sa car gawin yun?
Hindi. Kasi...
Ay, sorry. One more. It means love.
Matay ko lang yung cup ni Stella.
But I never like Leo. So it's time. You have a lot of cancer.
Cancer.
Oh, you're a cancer.
I told you. Right? You're gonna give this to me, right? After everything. Thank you so much.
2% daw. Kaso may sabit. Kaso naman tayo dito eh.
Oh, we're gonna do 3. Oh, 3, yeah.
Yes, welcome to Cloudland.
Magka-host po kami mamaya ng party.
Bro, sobrang bango. Gusto mo cotton candy?
Alam mo yung mga music festival. Ready po kami para doon.
Dito. Sobrang hot.
Yeah. Thanks guys for coming. Yeah.
Really hard, like 2 ways, like as social directors and you as we struggle. But yeah, we'll try to make it more fun.
Oo ka naman dyan. Ba't mag-isa ka lang?
Guys, picture.
When will you find? Wow. Oop. One more. Wow.
May, you have to.
Yay! Congrats! Yes, sir.
Oh my god! My god! Kaizon is one word! One! Okay. You know what I mean? No.
Happy birthday!
Ito yung mga bisita niya.
Grabe nakakayakap!
Kyla? Go on. Binakasan eh.
Oo, puto.
Masarap siya eh. Oh my gosh, should I ordered that? I ordered tuna nga. Hindi ko na kay Brandon.
Ay, mentay. Good food.
Lou, how are you this year?
Oh, my mind.
This year. 35.
Thank you.
Sabi niya per... Tapos, nung paglabag niya mismo dun sa lumabas siya, may butler.
Yung lumot yan. Lumot yan.
I know it's hard when you don't get the time to do the things you gotta do.
Slide? Oh, gitna.
Hindi ko nakita. Ang bango, alam mo na.
Alam mo na maganda to.
What day is it today? Today is the 9th, right? This one came out on the 1st. 8 days. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Basahin mo.
Like molasses in a way.
Yeah.
Bamboo sugar. That's been converted into our homemade syrup and gives a little bit of sweetness to it as well. Yeah.
Ada one.
Yeah.
Ulam lang.
Ice or hot?
Ice.
Got it. Press is it?
Let's just share. Mas fresh yung mukha pag Meron bang mag-makeup sa atin? Wala, no?
Wala.
Tayo-tayo na. Oh my God, ang sarap.
Sa'yo, lemonade. Kain ko yan, dirty. Cold milk lang siya.
Nice. Dirty.
Uy, gago. Sobrang refreshing.
Ano yan?
Ito wala lang, gusto ko lang matapos.
Masarap.
Ganun pala yung cheese.
Sarap. Sure siya. Parang yung ating sambal.
Mabi number 1 fan. Mabi fan
Number
base.
1 fan.
Anong tawag sa fan base kay Mabi?
Mabinatics.
Mabinatics.
Oh my God!
So we just had technical difficulty, but it's okay. Keep the love, keep the support. Yeah, let's go, JR. Safe.
If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody's no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see when, wanna see. If this world were mine.
I know we came from different cultures, different countries, different teams, but I don't think that's an excuse to not enjoy. We wouldn't know when is the next time. Yeah? Let's just do what our best. Let's aim. And yes, we can do this. Let's go! Okay, let's enjoy. Let's enjoy. JRC on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
If this world were mine.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. Fire, 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 fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that light, hit them strictly with that fire. It's a vibe, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Sobrang random. Papunta lang kami ng nun, cafe. Usap lang kami. Usap pa eh.
Autobus ba yan?
Ito, maganda naman dito.
Kaso mangingitim naman yung lobby.
Tara, kain tayo.
Yan. Anong kuya, ikaw na yung bida sa vlog ko.
Oo nga. For the vlog. What's up, guys? Welcome to my
Vlogger.
vlog. My vlog na to eh.
For the laps.
Squid ink na, no? Okay, let's get one of this. Ano yan? Hindi ko na alam.
You got truffle fries already?
Ano pa?
Ano siguro yun?
May pasta na tayo.
May dalawa ng main. Tatlo na nga yung main eh. Tapos may isang appetizer na makakain na gano'n.
Tatlo yung main? Ang pizza.
Isang
Diba
pizza, dalawang
na-disable yung ako?
How
big is your pizza?
Medium 8 inch 4 slices, large 12 inch extra large.
Okay. Ano yung lalabang? We got the large fries, right?
Yes, large margarita.
Okay, that's it for now.
Okay, can I repeat the order? Also, so keep the menu.
Oh, did you get the bread, right?
So parang 1 year lang, tapos umalis na si Mami.
Sarap. Ay, grabe, parang Chicken Joy.
Oh, sarap po.
Dami naman na nagko-commercial dito. Ikaw, kuya, ano entry mo? Ay, ganun lang.
Sakto lang.
Sakto?
Ito yung nakalala ko sa commercial.
Sarap.
Diba? Pangalan niya, bro.
Okay na to, may isang deliver.
Refill na lang.
Tara na. Nakakain na tayo eh.
Thank you.
Grabe naman. Grabe naman. Ay, wala ka masyadong mga video kanina sa phone ko. Wala ka. Dami ko kuha kayo.
Kanina, pre. Welcome.
Kaya Jervin.
Makata na para kang...
Uy! Ayan!
Ano dito? Dito tayo sa Chismis Land. Orange?
Ano yung mango?
Blue. Get some. Hi. Thank you.
Dang, you're hungry. We need to eat.
Nawala lang ha. Tadam. Patatas. Sanga. Para. Patatas. Baka nakainom din dito. Mixing. Losing. Manga. Para. Patata. Ella, you should say, mga chararat kayong lahat. Mga chararat kayong lahat. Kayong lahat. Mga... Ay! No, ayos. cute! Ang cute-cute mong hayop ka.
May dahon tayong bilig.
Ano sayo niya yan?
May dahon. Leaf.
Did you say down?
Dahon.
Oh,
Leaf.
down. Yeah.
Same?
Same.
Same!
Down.
Pati kangkong.
Down.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Nick posted the photo of us.
Overthinking everything. Ito na yun talaga.
Salamat guys. Kumayag kayo dito.
Gagawin mo, let's go.
Scammer ka kasi, kaya papayag talaga kami.
Ganun talaga.
Magaling ka magsalita.
I'm a scammer.
Yak ako. Tangina. Let's go. 6 years. So, posted it. We can tag Gem Republic.
XT just said cannot.
But he said?
But Nick posted, so like
Only Nick.
he said like maybe we all can.
Okay.
We just reposted.
Bro, they just updated it.
And at the last stop, which is in LA again, in 2026. That is where they will collect all the points and then they will announce the winner. The launch event is now in LA in July 26, right? The
But
next
next
one
year?
will be in January in 2026. So you will have a little bit of rest. So basically you're going to LA, Vancouver, Dubai, Auckland.
Yes, so
And then back to LA on the 7th stop. And then they will collect all the scores and then they will announce the champion. So basically we will see each other more often.
I take it all back. Hindi ko alam rin mararamdaman.
Hey, listen. Basically you're just flying 7 times for the final result.
That means free trip, guys.
Yeah.
Free trip.
And we're gonna celebrate each other's birthdays.
Yay!
It is.
Kuya ha? Labas ko lang. Alam ko na eh.
Hindi barat sa imin eh.
Kailan yan?
Ayun si Ausu. Malaysian fuckboy. Malaysian fuckboy.
Morning, guys. Morning for me.
Is it a good morning for you?
Yes.
Sleep well? Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
This is us after our last...
Huwag ka muna. Huwag mo muna isasara. Huwag mo muna isasara.
Ipagpatuloy.
Huwag mo muna isasara.
Ipagpatuloy.
Huwag mo muna isasara. Yung mga bata. Yung mga bata, itawid yun ako. Itawid yung mga bata. Huwag yung muna isasara. Huwag yung muna isasara. Hindi sara yun na pala. Pakita mo muna yung Dolphy. Pakita mo na si Dolphy. Kung paano baba.
Kantayin niyo muna. Kailangan kantayin niyo yung anthem eh. Para mag-isip ako.
Sensation.
Sino? Mali siya.
No need to. No, yun pa si Pana. Yun pa si Pana. Sabi ni Ate.
Pag ano na?
Mabi, wag ka muna alis, wag ka muna. Wag ka muna alis. Junggoy. 5 hours before Mavi leaves Malaysia. 2 hours before the flight.
This is us 5 hours before Ate Mavi leaves.
This is us before Mavi leaves. That's her. Dolphy is inside her body right now. Dolphy.
She is exercised. Hindi mo alam kung si Goofy or si Dolphy.
Golfy.
Golfy.
Golfy. Ang taray, locker si Dolphy. Wait. Wait lang. Nag-film si Dolphy kanina. I wanna see. You wanna see? Yeah, fam. Dolphy fam. Dali, gusto ko makita
Ginawang
si Dolphy na
labubu.
nag-film.
Dolphem.
Dolphin.
Dolphinal.
Dolphin.
You know?
In arthritis.
Isa, oh. Andito pala si... Wait. No, wait. Andito pala si Dolphin tsaka si Redford White.
Asan si Papa Lu? Asan si Papa Lu?
Wala. Ayun si Dolphin. Sino nga, oh. Si Redford White. Redford White.
Si Dolphy, magbe-baby freeze. Thank you. Si Joe Hilario eh.
John Hilarious! Sampul!
Kanina, lahat ng mangyayari sabi ko, uwi ka na kasi.
Sabi ko, Dang ba? Oo, uwi ka na kasi. Weird, no? Oo, uwi ka na kasi.
Aga? Wag ka muna uuwi. Redford White.
Okay. Hazy, show your face.
Where the fuck is Trav?
Where's Trav?
Oh, yan na naman si Travis.
It's somewhere there.
Travis!
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Yay! Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom!
Brum, brum,
Tulang!
I thought it was grilled. I thought it was grilled.
Okay, we'll give it to
Very fast. Try. I want to hear. What is? Hey, mommy, go. Moved to her daughter. I thought she left.
No.
She's not leaving. She moved to her daughter. You're gonna tell James that they miss a flight?
No, I can't do that.
What time is your flight? Movie and she was like, okay.
The girlfriend?
Oh, no. It's Marimar is your friend.
This is my brother's friend.
Already connected.
Don't listen to them!
I ordered 2 of these.
Don't listen to them! We need each other. Let it go.
Redford White, tama na.
Para kang may tornado.
Ano kay Jervin?
Hoy, di mo na.
Wala no.
Alis ka na. Baka yung matawa.
Alis ka na.
I wanna see you talk to Anna.
Alis ka na.
May tanong ako, Andre. Sino si Ennis?
Sino muna mapupunta yung makeup, pre?
Ever.
Stella, why are you so good at dancing?
Magsa-sessions nga kami.
Talaga?
Hindi, we were asking her. Hindi siya nagpapasa ng...
Yes, take care.
Bro. Hi, ma'am.
Ingat ka. Thank you, ah.
Let's be leader.
Hatid ko muna si Dolphy. Ako talaga, fresh.
Tanga. 1, 2, 3.
Mahal mo na.
Me and my jowa.
Nandiyan na yung group namin. Salamat, tinulak mo pa ako ha. Gagawa dyan yung group.
Baka mo, Stella.
Uwi na siya. Kulahin mo ito si Tanga.
Pag nagkaya ako sa Papa Pre, pupunta ka.
Pop up ang buta.
Bye!
Mommy's leaving!
Okay, let's go. Uwi na tayo, guys. Balik reality. Another reality. Sabi, medyo nag-emote lang ako sa kotse kanina. I mean, sa Grab. Pero, ayos lang. Ay, nag-emote lang ako kasi nai-miss ko talaga sila. Sobrang tamlay ko talaga, guys. Hindi ko alam yun, I-feel ko. Pero siguro, sobrang grateful lang ako sa experience. Sobrang touched din. Kaya ako siguro ito na-feel lang. I would miss everyone a lot. Meron naman tayong concert na kailangan tapusin. Focus tayo doon.
Top 12 tapos top 2, ganun.
Oo, ganun.
Daming sayaw. Hi guys. Right now, we're here in Blackgate Coffee Shop. Blackgate Katbalogan. It's currently 2:45 p.m. Departure namin dito sa city ay 3 p.m. kasi meron pa kaming 2 to 3 hours, ay 3 to 4 hours na biyahe papuntang airport. So, tatawid pa kami from Samar to Leyte kasi doon sa Leyte, sa Tacloban yung airport. And then our flight is at 8 p.m. Right now, papalipas lang kami ng oras dito. We just had our lunch here. Si Carlos nandun. Si Carlos tulog na dun sa kabila naman. Kasi tingnan nyo guys yung weather. Sobrang, di mo alam kung maaraw ba or maulan. Tapos si Kate ngayon, ayan, fit check lang na fit check. Nabang ako, di ko alam ano yung tsura ko dito. Di ko nga alam kung nahagip pa ako ng camera eh. Guys, hello? Tapos, ayun si Seiya. Ano siya ngayon? Ito si Seiya. Tapos yung mga kaibigan natin dito sa summer. Yung mga nag-asikaso sa amin. Nag-alaga sa amin dito. Okay, so we're gonna play a game. What game?
Make the face, make the sound.
Who goes first?
Haha, ikaw.
Ako? Ako yung mag...
Ikaw
Anong gusto mo?
mag-
Ako mag-sound? Ako mag-act?
Ikaw mag-face.
Ako mag-face. 1, 2, 3.
One, two, three. Ay.
Wala ka sa timing.
Kasi iniiba mo yung action eh.
Sige,
Biglang bumagal.
Iba na lang, iba na lang. Ha? Isa ba?
Nahaba na. Bakit kaya?
May vibrato. May vibrato.
Okay.
Ay! Okay naman siya. Musicality-wise,
Okay.
check. Cheese!
Bakit ang corny?
Mag-i-interview muna tayo with Ayana. Kaya tas yan eh, nabawala lang.
Get your seatbelt for a
Akala ko member ka.
This is an endless journey. Meet the agents. Us, the visionary.
Ay, no, blunt face. Hindi ako si Matthew. Oh. Father.
They arrive. Your guides on this never-ending journey. Experience yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Our journey starts here.
Hey, open road, let's take it to the sky. Alright.
We're still waiting to board. Papuntang Malaysia. Today is July 17 and it's currently 11:28 p.m. Boarding time namin is around 12:30. Pero yun, yung flight ko is at 1:30 a.m. So mga 5:30 na ako makakarating ng Malaysia kasi 4 hours lang yung biyahe. I literally came from Rive's media launch. Sobrang hectic ng araw na to, even the past few days. Since Monday na nag-start ulit ng training yung Rive, naghahabol na ako ng mga i-impake ko at yung mga bagay na need kong bilhan for this trip, for the competition. So, kasabay pa na palipat-lipat ng Mandaluyong at Cavite ng mga gamit. So, wala akong naging maayos na tulog until this day hanggang sa makalipad ako pa Malaysia. So, yun. I'm so sleepy and I'm so tired. I just can't wait to sleep and rest. But, laban. We asked for this and at the end of the day, very thankful ako sa lahat ng mga ganap ko kasi ini-imagine ko lang to dati nung bata ako.
Leo!
Okay, welcome to our online class. Subscribing. Bigo sharp N. Bigo speed control on 1. 1, 2, 3, baby. Bigo slow. Aha. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chug, 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 chug. And speed control, baby. And sharp N. Front legs to go up. So there's a button to do. From here you hit. You go boom and 2 and 3 and 4. To go up. Boom. Go down. Up. Go baby. Go. Subtle. And sharp. Ding.
Bye, Sir Amos.
Will you come back?
Bye, sir. Bye. Bye, Sir Amos. Bye, meeting area. Bye, cafeteria. Bye, Vendo. Back at the Vendo. I don't want to look like. Bye, guys. Bye, parking lot. Bye, firefighter. Bye, Mercure. Bye, Cairo. From 3 people down to 2. Di natin alam kung ilan tayo mamaya. On the way to Mars.
At least plus 3.
I got some fried rice, some vegetables, I think. So good.
Hanap siya ng taraan.
Siyempre.
Yung ginagawa natin sa training, di ba?
Ginagamot yung mga bagay.
Hindi ko alam, doktor pala tayo. Ay, why? So good. Harap ka. So good. Bruh. Oh, damn. Woo! Shit! Damn. Bruh, I can stand here. Yeah.
Mag-Hollywood tayo.
That's brotherhood, y'all. We here. Magtagalog kayo, magtagalog kayo. Maintindihan kayo nun. Ito na kami mga Pinoy.
What's up, everyone? We're in Sheraton Grand, downtown LA. We just arrived and we about to have fun.
Ano kayo?
Wali.
Na? Natutuwa ako. Shish. O, taka na.
Uwi na tayong Malaysia.
O, uwi na agad.
Chipotle and Taco Bell.
Morning, Andrew.
Morning. Good morning, everybody. Mavi.
What's good in the morning, Trav?
It's good because this is same as your hair color.
Okay, Aus, okay.
It's cute.
As long as you're happy.
Are you happy?
Morning. May mga pogi sa
Ha? Wala naman eh. Gabi hindi pwede na mga may Tagalog eh.
Kaya na yan.
And I'm just proud of you guys pushing through regardless of whatever it is that's been happening to us. We landed in Malaysia for like a couple days and we're still unsure of everything. It's actually a blessing for us to finally confirm that we're 15 people who didn't. And we have time right now. We have this day today to really make sure everything goes well for us. I love you guys.
I know that every passing day, some bad news happens. That one person can't join, another person doesn't get a visa. But everyone, I'm just really proud that no one gave up, but rather you guys push on even harder, which was when I knew that you guys are chosen for a reason. Oh my God, I'm shaking. I don't want to cry, so I'm not gonna say too much. Anon and all the rest that couldn't make it here, they're all rooting for you guys from back home. And this is not the end. This is just the beginning. So we'll be 15 for now, but after that, we'll be 20. So.
Hey.
Can I get one?
Oh, Jervin.
It's better than Fox.
The dream.
Oh, it's custom. That's your name.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's custom?
It is.
Gives Jordan. Tell me what competition gives Jordan.
Oh, there's Lloyd. There's Lloyd.
Shopping bag and your duffel bag.
And there's no
Thank you.
with the bag still.
Where's mine?
Brendan.
Where's mine?
Whoa! Whoa!
You can wear it later.
Everyone has a duffel bag.
Time. It has been an honor to put this team together. I'm very grateful for you guys for making this all happen. Okay. So here's the thing, guys. We're gonna need to move fast. So as soon as we get in here, I'm gonna send Jervin to the audio booth. I'm gonna need the rest of you guys to put your stuff down, and then we'll stand right by this archway that I'm gonna take us through. Okay. And then stand right back here when we get back. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
On three. 1, 2, 3.
JRC! Thank you so much, Lou! Kakahiya naman. So cute! Wala ba akong ganito? Wow! Cute naman!
Ay, sakto yung size niya.
Kaya nga eh.
It's so nice. I love the necktie din.
Kaya nga eh.
D-Day.
From Dubai. Let's go. Happy tag.
Sa likod. Ayun kayo na uwi.
How is that even possible? It's an outfit. It's a... Yeah, I know.
Let's get it. Alec will let us know.
JRC on 3. 1, 2, 3. JRC!
Representing Singapore, we got Jam Republic!
Let's take a look at Jam Republic because remember what I said at the beginning, against all odds, they still pulled off getting 2 of the 5 points. Don't forget, they faced all the ridiculously difficult visa challenges and travel challenges. They have members that couldn't make it here. They had to make last-minute adjustments, and look at them still putting on a show. Please give them a hand, y'all.
Everyone, let's get ready to find out what the scores are for both of these teams. Jam Republic, uh-oh. 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 And it's all up to this. And the winners of match 3 is 1, Congrats to both teams. Wow.
Maabutan pa kayang in and out? Ama in or out? Ama in or out? Oo nga, sabi ko. Diba? Di namin alam saan kami pumupunta.
Isisend mo talaga sa akin yan para may...
Hindi. Hindi tayo para mag-share dito.
Hindi.
Sheraton. Feet check! Hey! Check the feet! Let's go! Come on in.
Concierge. You really love coffee.
Yes, coffee is life. That's how it is.
I would do an iced Americano with a little bit of vanilla.
Oh.
That's what I would do personally. You can always do, an iced cortado.
Yeah.
Then add a little bit of sweetness. You have some milk as well.
Yeah.
The Einstein is kind of our most popular. It's a cold brew, double espresso, sweet cream.
Oh, it has cold brew also.
Yeah, so it's like a stronger coffee with some sweet cream, some chocolate, some dark chocolate.
My cream.
It's really good. A little bit of salt in there too.
How about the saffron latte?
Saffron latte, so that one's more of like a sunny. Einstein or the vanilla latte? Vanilla latte is very broad.
Alright, I'll be in just a second.
Oh. Yung kulay pink.
The big room is 200 capacity.
You guys are crazy.
But then this is desktop material.
How much example?
This one's 165.
Hi, dali, hi. Pag-hi. Upload ko ni sa YouTube. Ah. Ang cute naman ni Kuya Jobert. Ay, sorry. Akala ko ito yung aso.
Kung yung event, kailangan yung babaan kasi fix na 1K ganyan or whatever. Good morning, sir.
Alright. Isa? Uy, grabe naman. Alright.
Nakapajama pa yan.
Ganyan lang. Paunti na kayo ah.
Ayaw mo ka.
Wala lang. Ayaw, sigana ba? Yung sarili mo, video siya ba? Bye guys! Takits ta!
Yung mukha, pagtalikod, paano?
Ganun.
Pero mukhang malapit lang yung Boracay pero ang layo pa din eh, no?
Mga ano pa? Ilang na 5 minutes.
Ah, totoo? Dito pala si Ben and Ben eh.
Guys, kuya tas nag-explore.
Basta.
We just rock climb.
Wala ka naman na feel.
Pero hindi, takot din talaga. Pero hindi, wala ko na feel.
Walang mahiwaga.
Ano lang, parang nakakatakot naman.
Sabi ko, sabi ko eh.
Ayaw ko. Nakakatuwa. Sobrang bigla ako nasa Boracay. Nakakapunta lang ako dito pagkasama ko nanay ko. So, nandito ako ngayon para dahil sa sayaw. Kaya nakakatuwa. Boracay. Bakit hindi ka pa yung iniinom? Dati dito lang kami nagbibihis. Tapos dito may na-injured dito na teammate namin. Tapos first aid ko. Grabe.
Love yours. Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Beauty. Goes for all y'all. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga.